Definition: narrative text, a text that's aimed to tell a story or event that has a chronological sequence of events. This story usually contains a conflict and its resolution as well as a moral message at the end. Narrative text structure: 1. Orientation, introduction of character, place, and time. 2. Complication, emergence of a problem or conflict. 3. Resolution. Resolution of the problem can have a happy or sad ending. 4. Reorientation, more message or concentration of the story. Function of narrative text. The main function of narrative text: 1. To entertain. Entertain the reader with an interesting story. 2. To teach, provide a moral message or the life clue. 3. To inform, sometimes also to tell about a particular legend or culture. Putri Kemarau. A long time ago, in Sumatera Selatan, there is a kingdom led by a wise king named King Arya. Good morning, King. Purpose you want fresh fish? Oh yes, you can. I'll be done. The king has a daughter named Putri Jelitani, but she is better known as the Dragon Princess because he's born during the dry season. The Dragon Princess has grown up. She transformed into a beautiful girl and soft-hearted. Once upon a time, the kingdom was hit by a very long drought. Barren rice failed, the river dries up, and many livestock died. Famine struck the entertained country. Everything has been tired, but all was not successful. This made the king even more concerned and sad. When the king began desperate, royal Asur gave advice so that the king met a powerful fortune teller in the middle for a dark forest. The king went into the middle of dark forest to meet a fortune teller. After a long journey, the king's entourage arrived. The king told about the problems facing his country to the fortune teller. His Majesty, the way out of this drought problem here in the dream of the king Draugr. Huh? My Draugr dream come true? All will be in this world in the dream of the king's Draugr. Okay, I'll ask my Draugr later. After the king returned to the palace, then I brought you a drink. That must be tired after the dream. Where did that actually come from all this time? Oh my Draugr, it's such a coincidence. There is something I want to tell you that has made a Sakti fortune teller to ask for a way out. Drug problem in our country. Huh? Father asked fortune teller for help with this drug problem. What did he say, Father? Yes, he said that the Iniswar will come drug your dream. My Draugr, have you had any strange dream lately? After a moment of reflection, the Draugr princess replied, Not yet, Father. It will be better. If all these problems, we leave it to good elementary. You're right, my Draugr. Your word made Father aware. Forgive my Draugr, Father. That night before going to bed, the princess prayed, Oh God, I beg you to give you grant to solve problem in our country. Even the princess of the dry season slept soundly. In his sleep, he started to them. He saw a beautiful woman who is none other than his mother, who has been dead for a long time. Huh, Mom? Oh my Draugr, the difficulties experienced by our country will change if there is a girl who want to sacrifice by throwing himself into the sea. The dream felt so real until the princess wake up. So awake, he immediately met his father and tell his dream. The next day, the king gathered his people in the square and conveyed the message of princess' dream to everyone. Of course, none of the girls dared to put themselves off work. All of a sudden, the princess spoke and surprised everyone. Father, let me to be one to sacrifice my dragon. Are you kidding? Not my dragon. You are my only dragon. It's okay, Dad. I'm willing to sacrifice my soul secretly for the prosperity of the people of this country. Finally, the king accepted his dragon dedication. They immediately headed to the cliff. That very night, Father, I apologize in advance on my decision and all the mistakes I ever made to my father. Oh, my child, you really haven't done anything wrong with your father? With course fiercely, without the slightest hesitation, the princess jumped and immediately disappeared, swallowed by the wave like that. Princess disappeared. Black clouds hung over the sky, which instantly looked bright. Thunder, accompanied by very heavy rain. The whole people cheered happily. Rain wets the ground, which was entirely dry. The yellowing grass started to turn green. The riverland, entirely cracked and dry, started to fill up again with water. The king looks happy. Finally, the dry season that has been hitting his country resolved by the arrival of heavy rain. But on the one hand, he was devastated because he had lost his only dragon, the one he loved. Bowed down decayedly, the king returned to his place. Due to fatigue, the king immediately fell asleep. As soon as we arrived at the place that night, the king was half asleep, began to dream. In his dream, he met his wife, who said, "My husband, our dragon is still alive. Meet him on the cliff. He is waiting for you there." The king immediately woke up. After seeing the dream with the people, the king rushed to the cliff. At the edge to the cliff, a girl stood there. It turns out that it was Princess Dritani, or Dry Princess. My dagger! Father! Are you really my dagger? Am I dreaming? You are still alive? Yes, Dad. This is me, Putri Jelitani. The king was increasingly moved, knowing that his dragon was still alive. Apparently, the princess was saved by element good because of his friendly in sacrificing for the benefit of many people. Since then, the Drow princess became queen in the dead country. Literally, Weasley and Weasley. Its people also live prosperously and prosperously. Moral value from the Legend of the Drow Princess, we learn that true beauty lies not in a princess but in a humble and kind heart. Humility brings blessings, while arrogance leads only to sorrow and misfortune.